crew, what's good? Welcome back to another video. Make sure you stay locked in because we're going to test out the UMIDIGI A3X cameras. It has a 16 megapixel back and 5 megapixel as well as a 13 megapixel front, and these things are actually really good for this device. You can get this device in certain links that I'll leave down below for as low as $80, which is nuts. But tell me what you think about these cameras, which we're going to be testing out right now. But make sure you stay locked in throughout the whole video. Make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this thing as well. But overall, these are the rear cameras right here just to start out with, and it's going to be a really nice day. It's really beautiful, but we're going to test out some of the zooming capabilities as well. But let me just shut up for a little bit and let you enjoy this video for now, and I'll see you guys at the end later.
Peace, what's going on, guys? This is the front-facing camera of the UMIDIGI. As you can see, the sun is directly behind me, and it's really bright and it's really nice out. I got basically just a shirt with a light jacket on. Let me know how the microphones sound right now, because I think this is a pretty sick view behind me. Let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is the rear-facing camera. We're pointing in the same direction, but right now I'm using the rear-facing camera on the UMIDIGI A3X. It's a really nice day right now, right in the park. This is a really nice park to be in, but we're going to go in a little bit more so we can check out a little bit more of the scenery and everything. But let me know down below how the rear-facing camera compares to the front-facing camera. You can see that it's able to zoom in on the left while fading out the background, which is pretty sweet on the video. And then when you move back, it can zoom in, but it can focus on two things at once, which is pretty cool. I think that's like the shallow depth of field and like the far depth of field. Alright, right now I'm just going to be testing to see how good the camera can autofocus into the tree bark. Alright, so that was actually pretty good. Back it up. It zoomed out, it zoomed in again, back it up. It has a nice zoom right there. Let's try the front. Okay, that's actually pretty good too. Let's go this way. Nice. Zoom back in, so that's impressive. Alright, check this out. This is the front-facing cameras on the UMIDIGI A3X right now. So I'm using the front-facing cameras to shoot. I'm literally about 3 feet away from this thing. So let me know how the sound quality is and everything like that. But right now we are shooting on the front-facing camera. It's a really beautiful day out right now. But let me know in the comment section down below if you can hear me clearly. Also let me know if the lips match the words. Let me know if the autofocus is good when I'm moving around in the front. But you know what I mean, like overall definitely is a nice day to shoot some footage on the front facing camera. But this is the rear facing camera on the the UMIDIGI A3X. But I probably said Alcatel, but I meant UMIDIGI A3X. But let me know how the voice quality is. Also, let me know when I'm moving around, does it pick me up well in the background? How is the autofocus when I move around? How it adjusts to the light and everything. Let me know how that actually looks. But this is definitely looking pretty cool, like so far since I've been using it. There's a robin that's been there for like 10 minutes. I don't know if you could see it. It probably flew away already. He's been like there for like the last 10 minutes, like while I'm out here filming. I don't know if he's like looking for food or something, but that's kind of crazy. He wants to just be in the video. I know that he was just trying to get in the video. He's just chilling. So this is 1x. This is 2 times. It goes up to 3 times right here. And then it goes up to 4 times, which is like right here. And then I could zoom all the way back out. I never ever used these selfie sticks before. I'm not good at these things. But the autofocus seems really good on the viewfinder. It looks really clear. It doesn't look washed out in the background or anything. I'm actually really hungry. I'm on my way to get some food right now. But I just wanted to take y'all with me with the UMIDIGI A3X.
Alright guys, so for my final thoughts on this thing, I was just honestly impressed overall. I actually didn't expect too much from it, like really, to be honest. I wasn't expecting a whole lot from the cameras, but after this video and just testing out the cameras on here, there you get up to 4 times zoom, which isn't crazy, but it's gonna be really, really good and clear and usable. And I didn't have any issues with it whatsoever. But if you found this video helpful, Make sure you hit the bell icon so you can get notified for future videos. But in the meantime, I appreciate every last one of you. And make sure you stay locked in for more videos like this. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending on where you are. Have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.